Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I share with you some beautiful crochet pillow cover designs model. A crochet pillow cover is a decorative covering for a pillow that is created using the crochet techniques. Crochet involves looping yarn with a hooked needle to create various patterns and designs. Crochet pillow covers come in different styles, colors and patterns, and they add a cozy and handmade touch to home decor. Here are some tips for making a crochet pillow cover. Number 1. Gauge swatch. Before starting your project, crochet a gauge swatch to ensure that your stitches match the pattern's gauge. This will help you achieve the correct size for your pillow cover. Number 2. Blocking. Blocking your crochet pieces before assembling the pillow cover can help even out stitches and ensure that the pieces are the correct size and shape. Number 3. Color choice. Consider the color scheme of the room where the pillow will be placed. Choosing colors that complement the room's decor will enhance the overall look of the pillow cover. Number 4. Edging. Adding a decorative edging to your pillow cover can give a polished finish. You can choose from a variety of edging stitches such as picot, shell, or scallop edging. Number 5. Inner pillow form. Use a pillow form that is slightly larger than the dimensions of your crochet cover. This will ensure a snug fit and prevent the pillow from looking flat. Number 6. Care instructions. Make note of the care instructions of the yarn you are using and any special care requirement of the finished pillow cover, such as hand washing or laying flat to dry. Number 7. Personalize. Get creative and personalize your pillow cover with embellishments like buttons, appliques, and embroidery to add a unique touch. Number 8. Joining methods. Experiment with different joining methods for assembling the front and back panels of your pillow cover, such as whip stitch, slip stitch, or single crochet chain, to find the one that gives you the desired finish. Number 9. Practice patterns. Crocheting a pillow cover can be a time-consuming project, especially if you are using intricate stitches or patterns. Practice patterns and enjoy the process as you watch your creation come to life. Number 10. Share your work. Don't forget to share your finished crochet pillow cover with others, whether it is on social media, in a crafting group, or with friends and family. Sharing your work can be a source of inspiration and encouragement. Number 11. Select the yarn. Choose a yarn that is durable and suitable for pillow covers. Cotton yarn is a popular choice due to its durability and washability. Number 12. Choose the right hook size. The hook size you use will depend on the yarn width and the desired texture. Check the yarn label for recommended hook size. Number 13. Measure your pillow. Take measurements of your pillow before starting to ensure your cover will fit properly. Number 14. Choose a pattern. Decide on a crochet pattern that suits your skill level and desired style. You can find free patterns online or create your own design. Number 15. Start with a foundation chain. Begin by crocheting a foundation chain that is the same width and your pillow. Number 16. Work in the round or rows. Depending on your chosen pattern, you may work in the round or in rows to create the body of the pillow cover. Number 17. Add texture and design. Experiment with different stitches and techniques to add texture and visual interest to your pillow cover. Number 18. Consider button or zipper closure. Decide whether you want to add a button or zipper closure to your pillow cover for easy removal and washing. Number 19. Block your work. After completing your pillow cover, block it to shape and size if necessary. Blocking can help smooth out any uneven stitches and give your project a polished finish. Number 20. Finish and assemble. Once you have completed the front and back panels of your pillow cover, sew or crochet them together, leaving an opening for inserting the pillow form. Then insert the pillow form and finish closing the opening. Remember to take your time and enjoy the process of creating your crochet pillow cover. A crochet pillow cover is a decorative covering for a pillow that is created using the crochet technique. Crochet involves looping yarn with a hooked needle to create various patterns and designs. Crochet pillow covers come in different styles, colors, and patterns, and they add a cozy and handmade touch to home decor. Finishing touches. Pay attention to finishing touches such as weaving in ends neatly and securing seams to ensure a professional looking final product. Enjoy the process. Crocheting a pillow cover can be a relaxing and enjoyable creative process. Take breaks when needed and don't forget to enjoy the satisfaction of seeing your project come together step by step. Remember to take your time and enjoy the process of creating your crochet pillow cover. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel.